Thank you for joining Veronica's Decor Lab. Today we're going to be participating in a Fall DIY Challenge collaboration with the lovely Miss Kenya over at Kenya's Corner and the Eclectic Kristen over at Eclectic Kristen. Excuse me. Today we're going to be utilizing items that are going to be used from Walmart, Dollar Tree, from items we have already had on hand, remnants of pieces, to create this beautiful duplication by Anthropologie, which is valued at $898. We were able to create this particular duplication for a fraction of the cost, for $11 in total. We're using an organizer from Dollar Tree, in which we measured out lengthwise and widthwise to cut out our pieces of foam board, which will be the base for our floral heads. Here you see we are gluing the foam board down to the sides of the organizer. So please forgive us for the shots being out of frame. Here we're reinforcing the foam board on the back for the florals with hot glue. And you proceed all the way around the organizer, putting pieces on in order to adhere the floral heads, which are approximately about 5 inches in width. And by the way, the florals which we're going to be utilizing, which are magnolias, are from Walmart. Now, this lovely lamp of choice that we saw on Anthropologie also is called a magnolia chandelier. And I will have to tell you that over here at Veronica's Decor Lab, magnolias are a favorite flower, so it is appropriately fitting. And here in the South, the magnolia blooms tend to be in existence even into the fall. Now, once you get all your pieces adhered to the organizer, you should have something that looks like this. Pretty much a rectangular shape. Now, I will tell you that this particular DIY is also inspired by another YouTuber by the name of Beverly over at Beverly's Design Time. She also created a particular DIY like this, and she had 3 amazing looks that you could actually transform this piece into. So I will definitely let you know that she is an inspiration for this particular DIY, as well as this being something that wholeheartedly blesses me because it has to deal with my favorite flower of all time. Here we're taking away more of the stem in order for the floral head to lie flat or flush to the foam board. And we're adhering that with hot glue. And we're starting on the ends of the foam board form, so that we can fill in the flowers in between, so that we're pretty much spacing them out really, really well, but yet still have that overlap look in which the Anthropologie original dupe has. It's just clusters and clusters of the magnolia. Again, we do apologize for the piece being out of frame. Now we will proceed adding the floral heads to this rectangular form all the way around. And again, we're placing the heads on the ends. Now here we have the base of the LED lights, the LED push lights, which we're going to utilize in this particular duplication. We're going to utilize ours as a night light. And you should have something like this once all of the floral heads are placed onto the foam form. Now we're adding a broadcloth ribbon, which we found in a clearance bin at Walmart for just $1. We're placing this ribbon behind the foam board so that it is neatly tucked away for a finished look. And we're placing the ribbon behind the foam board with hot glue. And we're going to have the ribbon basically around the foam form. I'm sorry, say that two times without messing up. Around the form in which we are placing our florals on, pretty much in a north, south, east, and west positioning. And again, we're placing this behind the foam board so that it is neatly tucked away so that we can have a finished look. And we will do this on all 4 sides. And you definitely may want to use something to push the ribbon down and adhere it to the board. Here you see me using a box cutter, or should I say my version of an X-Acto knife, in order to get the ribbon behind the florals to where it has a neat appearance. And again, we're doing this pretty much north, south, east, and west. All of these pieces, the 4 pieces of ribbon tucked in behind, you're going to place those 4 pieces of ribbon on this ring in a north, south, east, and west positioning as well, and fold down about ½ inch around this particular circle, or should I say, you could use a binder ring from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to tell you the actual piece that we used was from a bracelet set. So it was a stacked bracelet set, which I had, and I took one away from it because the appearance was smooth and very, very shiny, almost like a chrome look to it. And here you see where we have folded down ½ inch of ribbon around the ring. And once that's complete, you will have something that will look like this. This is our version of the Magnolia Chandelier, which Anthropology has on their website for $898. Thank God I'm able to DIY. $11 in cost. Really, maybe not even $11 because a lot of the pieces I had on hand. But indeed, it has created such a lovely, lovely, lovely piece in which I am going to be utilizing in my bedroom, which is going to have somewhat of a French, provincial type, Victorian type vibe to it. But with that being said, we're going to utilize that piece for that. And again, I thank Beverly over at Beverly's Design Time for her inspiration. And also want to thank Kenya and Kristen for allowing us to participate in this particular challenge and collaboration. And we thank you for definitely joining Veronica's Decor Lab. We're going to say so long, never goodbye. We want you to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.